Luxury sedans have always been about more than just getting from point A to point B. They're about comfort, status, technology, and how a car makes you feel every single time you drive it. And in 2026, the competition is tougher than ever. So today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about 2026 luxury sedans. The big question is simple. Is it really worth the price? Or are you just paying for the badge? Let's find out. First impressions and design philosophy. The moment you see this 2026 luxury sedan, one thing is clear. It was designed to impress. Manufacturers in 2026 are moving toward a more refined, futuristic, and minimal luxury language, and this sedan fits perfectly into that trend. The front fascia looks bold yet elegant. Slim LED headlights, a wide grille design, and clean body lines give the car a strong road presence without being flashy. From the side, the long wheelbase and smooth roofline immediately signal that this is a true luxury sedan, not a sporty compact pretending to be one. At the rear, modern LED taillights and subtle chrome accents complete the premium look. This car doesn't scream for attention. It commands it. Build quality and materials. Luxury is not just about looks, it's about how solid everything feels. And this is where the 2026 luxury sedan really starts to justify its price. The doors feel heavy and well insulated when you close them. Panel gaps are tight and consistent. Paint quality looks deep and rich, especially in darker colors. Every detail feels intentional. This is the kind of build quality you expect when you're paying premium money, and thankfully, this sedan delivers. Interior design and cabin experience. Step inside and the atmosphere changes instantly. The cabin feels calm, quiet, and extremely refined. Soft touch materials cover almost every surface. Leather upholstery feels rich and premium. Wood, aluminum, or carbon fiber trims, depending on the variant, add a sense of craftsmanship. The dashboard design is clean and modern, with a strong focus on digital displays without overwhelming the driver. This is not a cockpit designed to impress you for 5 minutes. It's designed to feel luxurious every single day. Seating comfort and space. The seats in this 2026 luxury sedan deserve special mention. They are wide, supportive, and extremely comfortable. Long drives feel effortless thanks to excellent cushioning and lumbar support. Front seats offer power adjustment, heating and ventilation, and massage functions on higher trims. Rear seat comfort is equally impressive. Legroom is generous, headroom is more than enough for adults. Rear passengers get climate controls, charging ports, and premium materials as well. This sedan is clearly designed for buyers who value comfort over aggression. Infotainment and digital experience. Technology is a major selling point in 2026, and this luxury sedan knows it. The infotainment system features a large, high-resolution touchscreen, fast response times, smooth animations, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing the driver to prioritize navigation, performance data, or comfort settings. Voice commands are smarter and more natural than before, and over-the-air updates keep the system fresh. This is luxury tech done right, powerful but not complicated. Safety and driver assistance. Luxury buyers expect peace of mind, and this sedan delivers. Standard and optional safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree camera system. All systems work smoothly without being intrusive. The car assists you when needed, but never takes away control, exactly how a luxury sedan should behave. Engine options and performance. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 luxury sedan is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, including turbocharged gasoline engines, hybrid variants, and possibly a mild electric setup. Acceleration is smooth and refined, not aggressive. Power delivery is linear and effortless. This is not a car designed for drag races. It's designed for relaxed confidence on highways and city roads. The suspension absorbs bumps beautifully, and road imperfections are barely noticeable inside the cabin. Driving experience and handling. Behind the wheel, this sedan feels exactly how a luxury car should feel. Steering is light but precise. The ride quality is soft without being floaty. Highway cruising is quiet and incredibly comfortable. Whether you're driving yourself or sitting in the back seat, the experience feels premium from every angle. This is where the price starts to make sense. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Despite its size and luxury, efficiency is respectable. Hybrid options especially offer strong fuel economy, making this sedan a practical choice for daily driving. The trunk is spacious enough for luggage, and rear seats can be folded in some variants. Luxury doesn't come at the cost of usability here. Price and competition. Now comes the big question, the price. The 2026 luxury sedan starts at a premium price and can go significantly higher with options. Compared to rivals, it offers better comfort than sporty competitors, more technology than older luxury models, and strong resale value, depending on brand. Is it cheap? No. Is it overpriced? That depends on what you value. Pros: exceptional ride comfort, premium interior materials, advanced technology, strong safety features. Cons: expensive higher trims, not aimed at sporty drivers. Optional features add up quickly. Final verdict: worth the price or not? So, is the 2026 luxury sedan worth the price? If you want comfort over sportiness, a quiet, refined driving experience, premium technology and materials, then yes, this sedan is absolutely worth considering. But if you're chasing aggressive performance or budget value, then this might not be the right car for you. Luxury comes at a price, and this sedan delivers luxury in every sense of the word. Outro. CTA. What do you think? Is this 2026 luxury sedan worth the money, or would you choose something else? Let me know in the comments. Hit like if you enjoyed this detailed review, and subscribe for more premium car content. I'll see you in the next one.